Nyaribo could not be the problem, but a solution to Nyamira County. Nyaribo could not be the challenge they want or the change they want to make. Nyaribo could be the first in the change they want to initiate. Nyaribo, when he came, nobody almost Nyambega says, what will he tell you? Ovekire Keroka Yabiriki. Municipality. Under Nyaribo's watch. Ovekire Keroka Yabiri municipality. I don't want to say mama tayo mali. Oko kuana nko yo mali. He could be sabotaged by these MCS. Ene sabotage mission ya rosi unechi MCA. Okonogo taka koyeliyo muskenya. I want to admitting a Nyamira ninsere. I want to admitting a progress ya Nyamira ninsere. I want to admitting a Tarai Moka Aragaba and Deviara. I want to admit Nare very soft in his type of leadership. But autocratism iliya yeyo burai nere komoria. Ayatakero montoli batyo koregasi atalikosi magoko. And that is the challenge. Where naro Roma nyete kiamanyete. But could come out here. But for me, Nyaribo could be left out. Akole 2.5 years yichitingarete. Abantu banyamira baine kinga muntu utari ko Nyarabona tuwa muwakirete kura. Ege bachoro muntu mungao. But right now, every morning, chifo naki every simba, every ganyerede, engoke eliye imo kigugoro, biri koliye bichuchu. Bichago tabora bichuchu. What do I mean? Corruption deals. Chiroge chigendrede. Kera Nyaribako nyakotaboruga chifa elinjisire. Chibese chinyinge njisire. Nyabiri babe scapegoat. Kebenga Nyaribo, una ruedoro.
Ero chitene chibese.
Ochire ne chifaili. Ochire ne chibese. Okorireki. Hiyo ni upuzi na tunajua viongozi wenye wako Nyamira wote they are very corrupt. They should leave Nyaribako legacy.
Okay.